and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Trap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The markets crashed today as geopolitical risks threatened to rise after Russian Defense Ministry said that it had identified some firing over the Mediterranean. Later it was clarified as trial runs, but the damage was already done. Domestic market participants found the excuse that they needed to turn the recent brief uptrend and move back to the declining trend. The rupee too inched towards the 68 per dollar mark, and benchmark indices corrected as much as 3.5% today. Now, if you look at global market indices, this was a very big correction as compared to any others, Asian markets or European markets. We shouldn't forget that we have our own internal issues, as a lot of economists and brokerages have now cut the GDP target for FY14 to around 4 to 4.2%. Finally, the BSE Sensex finished at 18,234 and the Nifty closed at 5341. If you look at sectoral indices, there were no gainers. The banking stocks suffered a lot, so BankX was down the most, around 5%. The one that corrected the least was the BSE IT index, down around 1.4%. While it was not a day for individual stocks, there are some segments which stood out. Auto sales numbers were out for August, and passenger car sales are still struggling. Some companies did well, but some didn't. Now, Maruti Suzuki did report a healthy growth on a year-on-year basis for August. However, the stock was down around 2%. On the other hand, Tata Motors and Mahindra & Mahindra, which actually saw sales suffering for the month of August, their stocks didn't react so badly. Tata Motors was down around 0.8%, whereas Mahindra & Mahindra was up around 0.33%. So some other factors at play over there. If you look at two-wheelers, there as well, the sales figures for the month of August have picked up. Nevertheless, Hero MotoCorp was the biggest loser among Sensex names, down around 6.6%, and Bajaj Auto fell around 1%. Oil marketing companies too are struggling, as the much awaited diesel price hike, other than the monthly adjustment, is yet to be announced. Now, an HPCL corrected around 3% today. BPCL was down around 3.7%. Coming back to the Sensex names, other than Hero MotoCorp, what dragged the benchmark lower were heavyweights like Reliance, Bharti, ITC, ICICI Bank, which all corrected anywhere between 5 to 6%. There were a handful of gainers. So Coal India was up around 1.3%. Other than M&M, which was up, ONGC was also pretty much flat. So experts who had warned that the downtrend may continue seem to be right in their prediction. For more details, do log on to livemint.com. That's all from me. Thank you.